Hey everyone, how's it going? I hope everyone's doing fine. This is Shubham Giri, your host today, and welcome to my channel. So, in this video, we'll talk about the most common problem that we all face while using our browsers. We get a lot of ads while using Google Chrome, Firefox, or be it any other browser, and we often struggle to find the solution to it. So, in this video, I'll guide you step by step on how you can find this correct settings that will disable the Chrome ads once and for all. So in this video, I'll show you using Chrome. So click on Google Chrome. After it opens up, click on settings. Once you are under the settings, click on site settings. Search for site settings. Once you find the option, click on site settings. And once you scroll down, you'll find notifications at the bottom, and make sure sites can ask to send notifications option is checked and use quieter messaging is off. And under the block category you'll find different sites, and all you have to do is just click on three dots and click on remove, and do this for all the sites listed under block section. And that's it. Once you have done it, close your browser and you'll be just fine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you share it with your friends so that they can find the video as well and help themselves with this problem. Thanks for watching.